No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, sir?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, man, the nigga put in the work, and when he just start up, everybody I look down upon him like, say, him then I go make it. You see me? Real youth know what you want. Remember when he just start out, everybody a laugh of time. Everybody in the kitchen a laugh of time.
We're gonna further remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, 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 tell another friend. So your boy out here, back with another video. So we just are going to some birthday decorating idea. So the birthday come up and want some local birthday idea. Right?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So people, that could have been a wedding team. If you go for your wedding for like a pink team, that could have been a wedding cake. You would have a 3 different white layer going down, and then I just have the same design. You just have it on the side alone. Get me? So that could have been a wedding. So you can comment down below and tell me which one you think would have more be a wedding or a birthday team. You see me? Some art decorating idea there right there, so people.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around.
Birthday cake, as you can see right there, says a birthday cake. But people, if you no say you no want to do it for like a wedding team, same way. You see, alright. What mother do? This is part the flowers there. You would put the flowers at the side. You put like 4 flowers, 1 at each side. Or 4 flowers. Then I put the big flowers and then I put one small one, and then I have the leaf on it. I don't know if you catch the design when I create right there, so with this. So that could have be a wedding team. I don't know if you want to think as a wedding team for that. Get me? So remember me I say the cake could have been just like that. Expect would cut the pink so much. Round the layer would have cut the pink so much. We probably would have used the pink on the layer right there. So would have just use the flowers, and would have just have 4 flowers, and then we have 4 little small ones. Get me? And then would have just have the leaf, and then the layer. So if that the top of the cake now, would have the person. People they always have the little wedding people on the top. The man and the woman could have that on the top. Well, this would have been more like a pink and yellow theme for your wedding. That cake there. But this right now is a birthday cake. We just get an idea how you could have make it into a wedding cake. So we just are going an idea from that cake how you could have make it into a wedding cake, or even little function, etc.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
say brown could have look this good, people. Get me? You see me? Yeah, so people, brown, I never know say brown would have look this good pan a cake. But you can say the person get the two different brown team pan it. You have a bright brown and you have one look dullish brown. So but we are gonna see how the cake finish out, but I like how the cake has got so far. You get me? It's like a brown team. Yeah. Brown. I mix it still. What you do? Right there so. I don't feel like when I do right there so. For me you know, for right there so, what I do? Brown. Well, you have to see how this come out still, cause
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. On we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
with that cake you know, why I don't really dig that cake then. But I see would I see oh the brown turn out. It's not my top. You know what kind of team I'm tell you we more that do for different for the top. Probably for the top. Alright, would I do this cake for you like a baby birthday? Cause you know baby don't really like chocolate. But would I do like a rainbow color on the top? Would I use the flowers same way? And mother does it sounds childish but it's as much as mother do it for a child party. So mother does put the what them call that something there? They look so sweet with different color. M&M or whatever. So mother does that be sweet and sweet, but mother prefer put a rainbow color on the top people. Like it. Yeah. That's my idea. Comment down below what you think, but a cake here for me. I don't like it. I don't agree on it. You ready to me? Alright, definitely people. The one yeah, I wanna take it for me. So far, it really ready. So far. Like it. Too many people for that cake the way we are talking about oh long people. The flowers, too much of the flowers, kill it for me. You get me? The cake look nice enough, but what would I do differently for your wedding team? What would I do differently for your wedding team? Would I make the nice design show around? So would I build the rose like a what I call it? What I call it? Like a row, would I build the you know like would I decorate, would I garnish with look of food and you see it nice in the plate and it just have a ice up and then the sauce and whatever put on it. Would I cut up the rose like that and left the design. You see me? People say less is more, less is best. You get me? Simple but elegant like a wedding theme. Would I put like probably 2 or 3, about 3, 2 and then 1 catch on it. You get me? And then they have the so would have the 2 rows and then same team I'm gonna tell you about the green and the thing, they would have that in the middle and they would just have the leaf and would have the designer show as a wedding theme. So you know, so that would have the round the rows them would have the round the rest of the cake coming down from one line. So would have do it from one line coming down. We would put it around all of the cake, would just have a little line. So you know the cake would have be like 3 layers. So you'd have it coming down. Like a design coming down. You get me? So would I do it. Click, pow. Back in the video. Remember, if you want to watch a full video, we will drop the link in the description. Without the pause and want to see how to do it. Remember, we will drop it down there. So yeah. I'm look so yeah. People don't mind the sound on a year. Some people are do some renovation next door. You kinda kill it, but you get me. We have to go in the video same way. This right, this alright, this alright, this so. I love the color red. That we have to start with first. I love the color red. As a birthday team, you know, I left a little space in the middle for it. Oh, did I do that? As a wedding team now, the pink roses. Would I put the pink rose? Would I put it? Alright. Would I put it? Alright, so the cake is round. Would I put one this side and one the next side? And the cake going down. So you'd have one straight line going down and one straight line coming down on the back. Same way with the pink rose. Yeah. But I just left it plain white with the pink rose going down. So that look like somebody like you know female them skirts, that just in a one line going down. and then on the next side another line going down. So that's the design would I do for the wedding team. Yeah.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find it out as thieves. We sat down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide.
So remember people, if you want to watch the full video, take a drop in the description. So that was end of my video people. Remember, reaction, kitchen reaction, boss. Back on it with another video. People, I love baking cake, I love designing cake. Yeah. So remember, we just a show you what you could do. Ideas what you could do for your wedding team with the cake. So people, remember, stay tuned for our next reaction video next week Monday people. Remember, click the subscribe button. Yeah, what you waiting on? Cut that, we are scratch that out. Wait. Yeah, people, we not crazy. You get me? But here we are say. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. We not stop say subscribe. We not stop say subscribe, people. Remember, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so people can know when we drop another video. You see me? Because we drop the video them like crazy. Get me? Reaction. Remember people, comment down below. Comment people. Comment and make one know what you think. You see me? Comment down below. We're out.